Hey guys, coming here from Burton Historical Campground. We are on I believe this is the lower Arrow Lakes, but don't quote me on that. I could be wrong, but I do know I'm on the Arrow Lake. That I do know. The water is so far out there, I honestly don't think I want to go out there. Take a look around and check it out and see what I can find. So the reason why the water's so far out is because this is a lake dam. So just like Sugar Lake, it goes up and down and up and down. Whether it's, spring, fall, they let the water out, snow melt, fills the lake up. Pretty fascinating, pretty chillaxed here, pretty quiet. No gates. The website does say that you can legally camp here. There's just no showers and flush toilets and whatnot like that, which you'd normally find in the summer hours and stuff. It'd be cool if the showers were open. I'd probably go take a shower. I just had a wet wipe bath this morning. Had some pear in my oatmeal. But yeah, that's pretty crazy. I've never been on the Arrow Lake before, so this is pretty cool. Like you could literally drive on the lake bottom. That's it. I'm gonna go take a few pictures and then take off. We'll go see you guys at the next location. I dubbed the House of Enlightenment. So I'm at here, fuck year, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but it sounds pretty cool. Fuck year, BC. Just here at the provincial park. I thought it was gonna be like an actual campsite, but it doesn't look like it's an actual campsite. It just looks like a boat launch and a little turnaround that you can park your boat trailers and stuff. We'll see you guys at the next location. All right, I just made my cup of coffee. We're gonna go take the Fuckier ferry, which is literally right in front of my finger. It's actually on the side right now. So it's gonna pop over and then come back, and we're gonna hopefully be on it this time. Or, well, you know what I mean. Hopefully we'll be on it. Hopefully there's not a big lineup. And then we'll take you guys with me. We'll see you in a second. Just climbed like 700-800 feet or something like that from Arrow Lake up towards Cherryville, and there's like almost a foot of snow up here. I'm actually quite surprised. And now I'm out here trying to take a picture of that mountain over there, trying to trudge through the snow because there's freaking power lines in the way, which don't make for great pictures, but we'll see what we can do. There's probably a couple more pullouts that I should have pulled out back there, but whatever. After not seeing the sun for a few days, coming to find some blue sky. Oh, it's so amazing to actually see the tops of the mountains instead of just a bunch of fog at the top of the mountains covering the other parts of its beauty. You come across some blue sky. And I'm back in the North Okanagan. As you can see, we've got the sign entering North Okanagan. And the other lovely sign that everybody dreadfully hates. AIM roads. So yeah, I'm back in the North Okanagan. We're back on shitty roads. And we're gonna stay for a little while. And we're gonna go see a concert and open some Amazon packages, because that's exciting. Wonder what's in the Amazon packages. I guess you're gonna have to find out here in a few minutes. Okay, we'll see you guys at the next location. Just out here at the Shuswap River picnic area, and I just came across this freaking burnt out log stump thing, tree stump. And it looks like you could climb right inside, but I'm not going to. But it's really cool. Here, check this out. Ain't a kitten crawling in there. Like, I could go in there, but just so cool. Clean this out, turn it into a fort. It'd be so cool to turn that into a little fort or something. Anyways, I'm gonna go home. I'm just about home. Gonna open some Amazon packages because I got some cool stuff coming. Make some more cool content. The audio didn't really turn out that great on this one video that I opened a package. I got my Chinese diesel heater, and I'm not that great at unboxing videos, so bear with me. I will show you guys in the next video everything to do with my new Chinese diesel heater. I will see you guys next episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell notification icon for when I actually do upload videos. You actually get a notification that I do upload them. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.